Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to color Crystal's digital art, updated. Begin by setting base colors on a separate layer and block in major shapes with a soft brush. Build depth by layering midtones and highlights gradually while preserving hard edges on facets. Introduce subtle hue shifts for internal refraction and add cool reflections for realism. Finish with sharp specular highlights, rim light, and a gentle color grade to unify the artwork. Separate your work into base, shadow, light, and effect layers to stay organized and editable. Use Multiply for shadows and screen, or Add for bright color overlays and glow. Experiment with clipping masks and layer modes to preserve sharp crystal edges while adding soft internal glow. Paint microreflections with a hard brush at small scale, then blur subtly for bloom. Check colors against a neutral background to ensure contrast and readability. Focus on light direction early to keep reflections consistent across facets and planes. For refractive crystals, shift hue slightly toward the transmitted light color inside core areas. Use selective color and curves to push the luminance and saturation where you want the eye to settle. Add subsurface scattering hints with soft-colored fills under thin areas. Finish with tiny specular dots and a quick vignette to emphasize form and polish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.